Yeah. Hi. Hello, everyone. This is Shanmugaraj. Welcome to my channel. One of the aims of this channel is to build a global knowledge sharing platform in the domains of project management, leadership, and agile. You can join me and help me with that either by subscribing to this channel or sharing my videos to our friends, right? So having said that, let us get into today's video. We are currently discussing on the leadership ideas from Emily Sloan School of Management. Today's topic is making of a GenAI leader. Who should be the head of generative AI and what they should do, right? This particular article, as published in MIT in March 28th, 2024. So, why it matters? Adopting artificial intelligence takes time and proper leadership. Heads of generative AI manage how companies use the technology to manage people and help set the right tone. Right. So let us get into the discussion. The generative artificial intelligence has rapidly become an organizational priority. After it was launched in late 2022, ChatGPT had 100 million active users in less than 2 months, and many executives now consider managing AI's impact to be a leadership priority. But the adoption takes time and it requires a proper stewardship or leadership. In a recent webinar hosted by MRD Sloan Management Review, London Business School professor Linda Gretton discussed the new roles companies are creating to guide AI initiatives, the job responsibilities of these leaders, and how companies can use AI for people management. Introducing the head of generative AI. Many companies are introducing positions to guide generative AI use. Last year, Coca Cola moved Pratik Thakkar from his role as head of global creative strategy to senior director of generative AI. Likewise, advertising agency MNC Saatchi named chief data strategy officer James Calvert as its new head of generative AI. Grayton pinpointed five key job responsibilities for those in these new roles. Number one, steering the strategic direction and alignment of AI work. Right? It's very important to you need to have a strategic direction and you have to align the business with that. The second thing is establishing and sustaining a collaborative generative AI ecosystem. So, right? So very important to you build a right Gen AI ecosystem. Number three is monitoring and evaluating generative AI experiments to inform best practices. Number four, identifying high impact use cases for scalability. Finally, overseeing the generative AI integration across business units. So these are the five key responsibilities of a head of generative AI of an organization. When it comes to choice of the leaders, some generative AI leaders might have a creative background, others could come from a technical background. What Grayton is saying is that background matters less than a willingness to experiment. So you need a leader who is good at experimenting, right? You want somebody who is good at who got an experimental mindset, who sees this as a learning opportunity and sees it's an organizational structuring issue, right? So the innovation part is what is really crucial than being a tech or other things. So with this, we'll come to the conclusion of this video, right? So hope you guys have an understanding how the things are progressing in terms of generative AI, right? So companies are adopting a new role called head of generative AI. They're creating a new role. And we also talked about 5 important job responsibilities of head of a generative AI. We also talked about, 2 important characteristics of a leadership, that is experimental mindset and innovation. So these are the key ingredients of head of Gen AI, right? So please tell me, what are the, is your company adopting a head of Gen AI? It's happening in your company. Please share your thoughts. What are the leadership qualities that person need to have it, right? So I hope you guys like this kind of videos that helps you to become a better leader. All right. So with that, I'm signing off. See you in next video.